So we've created a lark's head on our partner, but we're not going to use that lark's head directly for bondage because it is a collapsing loop, meaning that if I pull on it, it gets tighter and tighter, and that can be dangerous. So we need to convert the collapsing loop to a non-collapsing loop, and we do that with a half hitch. Now a half hitch is just a loop of rope around another rope. So all I'm going to do is just a simple movement, like that, and then tighten it in. Now I have a loop of rope around that rope, and when I pull that, it can pull, but it's not going to crush down. That's the point. But let's talk about how I made that, because again, it looked very simple, but I'm doing like 15 things. So here we go, creating a half hitch step by step. The tail is through the bite. We've reversed our tension. We've set the level of tension we want. Your dominant hand is holding the tail. You've reversed tension. You set the tail at an acute angle to the incoming line like this. Your offhand goes on top of the tail behind the incoming line. Then your dominant hand puts the tail on top of the incoming line. You can see its little 4 shape right there, like that. Now, feed the tail to those fingers. Those fingers pull the tail through behind the thing that you're tying, and immediately against the half hitch, pulling this way. So that as I'm pulling it through, I am not collapsing this little loop. My dominant hand was guiding this line the entire time so they don't flail around, and now it's at the end, so I can put those little knots through the hole smoothly like that. Now, switch hands, so your dominant hand grabs the tail again, your offhand comes back to the node and pinches it like that so that the loop can't get looser while you then pull the tail toward the node to tighten that half hitch. Fix your lines if they got twisted, and there you go.